Hello scholars, today we are starting chapter number 19, India, the government. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the largest country in the subcontinent of South Asia, while in terms of population, it is the second most populated country in the world after China. The whole country is governed by a political system called the government. The government is the governing body of a state, or we can say the group of people with the authority to govern a country or a state is known as government. Do you know why we need a government? The purpose of a government is to facilitate the smooth functioning of a country's affairs and bring about an order in the overall governance of the country. The government also works towards the country's resources in an ethical and responsible manner. Moreover, it also protects its people from potential danger, both external and internal. There are 28 states and 8 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The country follows the constitution according to which the government functions. What is a constitution? A constitution is a document of set of rules according to which a state is governed. Our system of governance by the Constitution is on 2 levels: the union or the central government and the state government. Both these governments have their respective areas of duties. Let us learn about these types of government. Central government. Central government is a government elected to govern the whole country. India is a democratic country where people have the right to choose their own government. It is the duty of the government to look after the welfare, safety, and security of the people. We are a parliamentary republic, that is, a system of democratic governance of a state where the head of state, president, has ceremonial powers and the head of government, that is the Prime Minister, is answerable to the legislature. Our parliament has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The parliament is the law-making body of India, a place which is the center of a country's government is called its capital. New Delhi is the capital of India. The President, Vice President, the Prime Minister, other ministers, and all the other important officers of the central government have their offices in New Delhi. The whole country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. State government. State government is elected to govern a particular state. Each state has its own government to see the progress and welfare of the people. The states have their own capitals. The offices of the state governments are located in their respective capitals. At the state level, a governor is the head of the state and a chief minister is the head of the government. The governor, the chief minister, other ministers and senior officers live and work from the capital cities. The union territories are directly under the control of the central government. Now we have reached to the end of the chapter. So let us revise what we have studied in chapter number 19, India, the government. In this chapter, we have studied that the whole country is governed by a political system called the government. There are two types of government in our country, that is the central government and the state government. The head of the central government is called the president. The state government has its own government to see the progress and welfare of a particular state. The head of the Council of Ministers is called the Prime Minister in the central government. The head of the Council of Ministers is called the Chief Minister in the state government. I hope you have understood the chapter properly. Do the reading of the chapter and complete your written work of exercises, question answers and worksheet. Thank you.